Hi, how do you use Rescue Remedy? Easy peasy, okay? Rescue Remedy is the most well-known of all the Bach flower remedies, okay? And it's actually a combination of 5 of them. But to use it, we use it 4 drops until relief is obtained. So that would be relief from the impatience, relief from the trauma, relief from the fear, relief from the feeling we're going to explode, or relief from that not being engaged, not having any focus, feeling a bit drowsy or faint. Okay, so those are the 5 reasons that we would be looking for improvement. But it's 4 times of stress, so people will pretty much always feel calmer once they take Rescue Remedy. So 4 drops on your tongue, okay, so 4 drops from the dropper bottle on your tongue, and you can repeat it as needed, or you can put those 4 drops into a glass of water, cup of tea, cup of coffee, glass of wine, into a liquid of some sort. It can also be used topically for people who cannot take it internally, so you can rub it on pulse points. You can actually even add it to your bath, as you can with the individual remedies. You can purchase a spray version of Rescue Remedy, which would be 2 squirts of that on your tongue, and you would repeat the 2 squirts as needed. Comes in a pastel form as well, so you would take 1 pastel, which is the equivalent of your 4 drops or your 2 squirts. You can add Rescue Remedy into a mixing bottle if you think you're going to be needing it over a longer period of time, and then you would use it 4 drops 4 times a day in the same way that you would use an individual remedy mix. Okay, hope that helps.